Alright guys, I know it's been a long ass time since I've uploaded anything. Kind of just been in a little bit of a rut. None of my cars really going, as they're supposed to go right now. But as I'm cleaning up everything, I'm gonna start putting videos together again, get some content out there, and maybe doing some cool shit again. Let me show you guys what I've been up to. Some new things I got that you guys probably have not seen. And yeah, let's get into it. So, the garage is a mess right now. I've been busy working, as you guys can see. Probably have not told you guys, but I did end up getting this BMW. I think I actually said it in one of the vlogs a while back, while I was in our shop, that I will probably end up owning this. And this is the one from Gilbert. I ended up buying it from him with the E37s. I got other wheels for it, but I still need tires for those. Or actually, I'm putting the 17s from the Miata onto here, but I still need to get the wider ones beaded because they're not one to seal properly. But I also got some new 17s for the Miata. That way I can take these off here, say these as spares, throw those ones back onto the wagon, or maybe throw those back on the wagon and then get those rebuilt. I don't know, we'll see, but I have a lot of wheels to play around with. And since I got this also though, I ended up getting the M3 kit. Back piece is already on. This is the skirts and the front bumper. I did get them painted and everything. Just kind of been slacking on getting them put on. It's been cold, been getting orders out. But as you can see, the garage is very, very messy. Christmas gifts, don't look at that over there. Out of luck dunks though, these drop Christmas Day. Don't sleep. So right now, swapping the Viennas back on, cause pretty sure I'm positive. So I told you guys earlier, got some wheels for the Miata. These are it, Panteras. Have you guys ever seen wheels where the valve stem is like underneath the center cap? That shit's insane. But we got parkour here.
What the fuck is this for?
Oh, it goes right there underneath the Miata on the dash. Pulling the camber out of the Miata, go for a track stance. This is the Aerofab kit, or the Aerofab kit we had on there. Shortened ones. This is what we're throwing back on there. Just stop.
Looking cool, looking cool.
Yeah. So. Is it cool or corny? Tell me.
No, it's sick.
Sick, yeah. That's it.
That is funny. Where'd you get that? Live action.
Yeah.
Is that coming with teas or what, dude?
Dude, he's supposed to be. I don't know. Maybe you should call him. Call him and put it on the vlog.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Shit.
Oh. I have 2 Zach Allens on my phone. I never know which one's his, so I just go with my recents.
They're actually the same.
Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
Currently I'm about to move my car because I forgot they have church today. But then I was about to head to Robert's to take him a motor stand and then help him kind of work on the car.
Are you getting teased at all?
I was thinking about it. Robert said something about teas. Are you over there?
Yeah, get teased, motherfucker.
Send me some money. I only got 12 on cash.
Alright, I told you I will. I see you. Be sure you're coming.
We're not sending money unless you, because you might flake. Call us when you're at Quick Trip.
Oh, jeez, you think I'm gonna flake on you guys?
Hey, we've been told you're coming over a few times. I'm just kidding.
No. Hold on. I gotta get this kitchen gear.
Alright, well, I'll let you go.
Then I'll be on my way.
Alright, hurry.
Bring those sports.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Alright. Bye.
Alright.
That pendejo.
I was wondering.
Look at all that flake.
Like a fucking boat.
Bass boat. It's a Johnson. I like a Johnson.
We were talking about earlier though when I was picking up the jack. I was like, he parked this shit at a church and it has titties on it.
Yeah. I don't know what kind of church it actually is. Yeah, goddamn pipe, boy. That goddamn pipe right there, boy. Look at that. Boy. Boy. Dude, I should have painted the underside of my trunk lid.
The underside of what?
Fucking idiot.
What?
I should have painted the underside of my trunk lid like he did yours.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I never realized.
It's got flake on it and everything. To be honest, I don't know what mine is. I think we just sprayed it. And then, I don't even know. I think it's just black.
Nothing wrong with that, because don't you have carpet on it?
No, not on the underside of the trunk lid. I took it off a long time ago. Tighten her up, bud. About to be de-stanced.
De-stanched. If anybody needs an Aero 5 kit for the rear.
Yep, for the low. They're discontinued parts, I think. Is that a fact?
So I've been told. He doesn't make them for that big camera anymore.
Big camber boys, hole to hole. I did see that where he made the 2 holes meet the back. That guy, good job.
All right, and we decambered, baby. Let's
Yeah.
go ahead and throw
Yeah.
that wheel. Look at that. It looks like positive camber.
Yeah, that's because we want good drift contact since he'll be at OSW Drift Specs with Adam LZ here soon.
Yep.
Probably get to hopefully.
We're going to be bumping bumpers with the best.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's, maybe we should have got a before shot.
Dude, yeah, but still, we might be able to even. I don't know, that's actually pretty fuego.
Yeah, I feel like once it goes up, I was going to try to jack it up.
Yeah. So vlog, dude. One of a kind. They'll be mass produced here soon.
Yep. For test fit purposes.
Yeah. All these stance boys carrying around a normal piece of wood.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here with that.
Oh wow. Wow, I didn't see that coming.
That's fucking perfect.
Yeah. Someone call a doctor because it's getting sick in here.
That's crazy.
Oh shit.
After I fix this, though, I don't know. We'll see, I guess.
Just means the other one just needs some rollage.
That's hot. Let me see, let me get a picture.
Hot boy summer.
So, if you guys don't know,
No, you know.
Blue head gasket.
We don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Blew a head gasket on this
Give them an
thing
update more.
in GAT. So, got a Y8 here.
Hit the inhaler before you start recording, bro.
So We're gonna start piecing this thing together and get it in the wagon. I'm about to pull the wagon in here and get it on jack stands. That's why I got the BMW out and got this motherfucker off the jack stands. Also, if you guys haven't seen, took the camber out of the rear, so it's a track stance now.
Yeah. What I always try to do is push my car.
So a lot of progress done today. Got the motor dropping out. Zach got some templates made for the tubs. Got everything that I'm not needing marked. Got the intake off, dizzy, starter. I'm gonna throw that intake on to this head. Get rid of the ugly ass white shit. My garage is a fucking mess, Jesus Christ. So right now, I am removing the front bumper so I can put on the kit.
I got screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Thank you.
Let's go. We'll get it off one way or another.
Yes, sir. Yes, fucking sir. Yeah,
Out with the old and with the new. Nobody want that trash ass bumper.
Our kids are innovative.
Are you right? Whoa, so what all that movement back there? So the brackets they gave us for the grill, they don't fucking fit. So Robert and Riley and me,
but
we're just
just
stupid. So now we're drilling holes into the bottom of the bumper to zip tie it.
Drilling.
Yeah. Didn't you hear the drill going up?
Oh shit. Oh my god. I think we're getting some.
Process. This was supposed to be easy. Nothing's ever easy. Look. This car
Honestly.
is this car. Wow. Robert's so cool.
Wow.
What are we doing?
I don't know, dude. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm just kind of hoping here. So hopefully this will keep this, because right now it's folding like that. So hopefully I'll put the zip tie here.
No.
It'll help.
Bro, you hit one bump and that zip tie is breaking.
Dude, it's not gonna work.
Okay, it'll look better than it just
Actually,
sticking out though.
I will have to put another hole right here, because if I do it like that, it's not moving. So let's get back to the drill. Take that out.
Why can't you just run it without? I'm so confused.
I can't hear you. The drill's going.
So do these skirts go on over the other skirts?
No, Riley, take the other skirts off and put them on that side.
No, they go over.
They do, don't they? Or do
No.
they not? Well, it's just a fucking piece. What?
Riley, non-BMW owners.
I lied. I can't see shit over here.
Sorry, boss. Macaques.
This is like unreliable vehicles. I don't understand.
Dude, you of all people.
Of all people, I have the most reliable.
Riley,
I have a
yours is reliable because
Civic,
you don't drive it.
Exactly.
Previa.
What?
But
Reliable because you don't drive it.
yeah, I'm about to add another car to that collection. I'm about to be driving all three.
Okay, I'll believe it when I see it. Fuck your light. We gotta show off this the Lightning McQueen crack. Oh, are we cooking something? Are we cooking?
I think so. I'm coming.
What do you mean by that?
Go in the hole, you whore.
What do you mean by that?
All right. Now let's see the truth.
Moment of truth, it doesn't work. Pull harder. How much space you put in between those holes? Ah.
Enough. Well, it's better. I'll say that. It doesn't look bad.
Can't even see it.
Exactly. Let's go. Let's go. What is it?
It's gonna be tied.
Down by one. Should we go for it? She's got a tie. Play it safe.
Bless them. You know what? Those bitches. Oh, never mind. It's not there. I was like, they charged me for bacon, and I didn't fucking get it.
Look at that cheese on top of that motherfucker.
And it gets my pussy wet.
He's doing it with no harness. If he falls, it's a 50 feet plunder to his death.
Go for it.
He's going for the transfer.
Oh,
Nice transfer. His hand's solid. Yeah, he got to put chalk on his hands before. Oh! Good, dude.
I'm a fucking thumb. Bitches don't come out.
Holy shit, dude. Watch out.
No.
Stickers.